YouTube? We are back, another video here. This is another pair of TWS, that's true wireless stereo headphones, and these are true wireless, so fully wireless, just a case and two earphones working in tandem. These are IPX8 waterproof from Tozo. I've actually damaged the box already, but screw it, things are new. So on the front comes with an 18-month warranty from Tozo store, so you guys can go ahead and claim warranty if anything happens. That's not your fault. First thing first, comes with a manual, so it's an instruction guide. It's got two little QR codes that will send you to, I'm assuming, the app. No, it will send you to the website, so you can contact them using those. They've also got links for the social media, Facebook, YouTube, etc. as well. Who cares about instructions? So get on and see exactly what's in the box. So these are the headphones themselves. Case is pretty big, larger than what I would prefer to keep with me. But yeah, these are the headphones here. So we'll do things out, and then the bottom is got the Tozo branding, innovative style as well, and it's got a little magnetic little charging dock thing here as well. And that's the case. The case itself might be substantially large, but it might have a big battery inside. So these things are, if I can make out, it's only a 600 milliamp hour battery, 3.7 volt. So I'm assuming the size of the case, I would have assumed it would be a bigger battery, but it's not. Oh, this has got something else. You've got a little strap, little cavity strap that you can put a lanyard there, and this is the charging cable. Charging cable is a micro USB to normal USB charging cable. So I would have preferred something with a Type-C connection, and the charging cable goes just in the back here, a little rubber tab that comes out there as well. It's quite a deep clip, so it has to be this charging cable or something similar. Do find that when you have a recessed connector like this as well, having like a normal, this is generic charging cable, micro USB cable, can make it pretty difficult to charge, so finding the right cable is important. Little downside there as well. But these are the Tozo, what it is called again? The Tozo's T10. I've gone ahead and actually saw these things online, so I'll be shipping these things out. But this video is here just to unbox them and then see the content that's inside, just to safeguard myself. So if you guys are selling online as well, like what I've done recently, I've been selling a lot more online because of the lockdown. So yeah, and this video is just to show exactly what was inside, and hope you enjoy that video. This has been Ace. As always, peace.